The flooding has stretched all the way down into New South Wales. Bill Hogan is in Lismore, also on a boat there. Bill, you're on the water. What are you seeing as you duck under power lines? That's how high the water is?
Yeah, that's what we're dealing with at the moment, Larry and Kylie, so excuse me if I keep watching my head. We're just ducking under power lines. We've been generous enough to jump on board to get a fuller grasp of the extent of damage. And you have a look at these multi-storey homes, and this is the Workers' Centre. We were around here for dinner last night, and it just didn't seem possible that it was going to get to this stage. And of course, this is the outcome of the levee bank breaching, and this is, you know, a 14-metre level water, something that they haven't seen in quite some time.
This is Jeff here. It's been a long time since I've done much, but I'm on the north coast here, not far from Lismore, that's all I'll say. And this house, I'd say, is from the, I think it was 2020, we had the big floods here. And it's been empty since, I think. But like, I've been here a few times, and well, I've been past a few times, I've always seen this van here, and I thought someone lives here. So I decided to stop, and you can see that. All the grass is just growing up around the van, and the house is definitely empty. There's very little in the way of any furniture there. You know, we'll have a look when we go inside anyway, but I'd say this van's here. And I'd say, like, it probably got flooded out, so it's no good to operate. Down below, there is a lawnmower. Bits and pieces on the ground. I've got to be careful with this here. There's also lots of sticky beaks in the ground growing up, so I dare say when I get back to the car I've got about 10 minutes to remove all the sticky beaks off me, if not more. But them's the brakes. We're going to come in under the house here. We've got another car, an old, well, what you call it, Corolla, Celica, sorry, it's an old Celica here. Just sitting under the car, under the house, I should say. Over here we've got lounge suite, what's left of it. A big fridge and freezer here, upright fridge and freezer. Oops, spin around right, Jeff. You think I know right from left here, and I still have trouble with this. There you go. Stainless steel fridge, freezer. Oh, ice cream's there. And I'm gonna, glad this isn't smell-o-vision, people. I seriously, milk completely. No, it's been there. What's the date on that? 18th of May. Can't see a year. No, can't see a year, but I'm certain it was 2020 when these floods hit us. So, so 2020 or 2021. I'll look it up and I'll put that at the bottom of the video. But that milk's been there since then. The 18th of May was the use by date. We've got a washing machine and stove over there. They obviously try to get everything out of the house. Another washing machine there. Big ice cream freezer there. Street's ice cream freezer. Yeah, boy, I can still smell that fridge. That wasn't nice. There you go, got barbecue there. The old twin tubs, the concrete twin tubs, I love those. Remember growing up in a house with one of those in there. Actually, we only have the single tub by memory, but the whippersnippers, lampshades, lawnmower base there, no motor in it, base there, doorway through to the shed. We're going to go upstairs now. So, we can get that right. Yeah, we'll go upstairs now, and I've got a bad habit of dropping my wrist, and that's why a lot of times why we lose where I'm looking at. Having these gimbals, so I've got to remember to hold it vertical, and that way I can see what I'm doing. But got to be careful here too. The floors aren't exactly the safest up here. So in the last 3 months I've lost 50 kilos, which is a good thing. Otherwise I probably would have gone through the floor. But we got a light switch here. But the light's definitely not working. There's a light over there, you can see just on the wall there. Got a hat there, a couple of picture hanging up on the wall. It's a nice picture actually, I'm not sure where that is. Coming down to the floor. Another whippersnipper. Come out here, have a look at this view outside. First thing is just see the top of a water tank there, the clothesline, and then all that farm area out there. Looks like there's sugar cane growing out there, so someone's obviously working on the land. Through this doorway, didn't check this one before, there we go. We've got a toilet in here. Too bad if I need to go, there's no toilet paper. But anyway, I don't need to go, thankfully. Just flick this switch here. No, still the light's not working. Here we go, kitchen with a lino floor, which isn't much good. We got a chaffle maker there, a little portable oven. Another one up there, little cooktop there. More pots and pans, little esky thing, drink esky. Sink covered in this might tell me. I doubt it, but we'll see. There you go. Well, that's 24th of the 12th, 24, so it's only last year anyway. So unless someone's been here, there is evidence that there has been squatters here, so maybe so. We'll come up through this way. And this here is the bathroom. Be so careful on this floor, I don't know what's solid, what's not. There's a bath in your basin, and there's a mirror. Get it right. Little medicine cabinet. Someone's toothbrush, razor blade, nose clippers, ear clippers or something, shaving cream. Well, there you go. There's a portable air conditioner. I don't want to step over that because I know there's a hole under there or not. I know this is just a wall falling off from the frame, so that's alright. Thought it might have been something more. I say this might have been like a lounge room, but look at this down here. You've got holes all through the floor, so I've got to be so careful where I step on this. I'm going to try and walk where the frame is under me. Just got to be so careful. This is all water damage. Like I'm good, 15 foot up from the ground, and the water's came through here. It's just crazy. There you go, there's a wardrobe. He's left a hat in there. Don't know what's on this side. Okay. Can't do that, but there's nothing else in there anyway. Here was a bedroom. They've got a bed there, no mattress in this one. The nature's starting to take over. You see it coming through the walls there. What have we got up on the ceiling here? Nothing much, just got the fluorescent light, that's about it. I'll go through the other room there, but I've got to be very careful because I've got to go through a worse floor than this one here. Sorry about it being dark, I left the torch in the car, I'm not going to go back out there and get it. Here we go. This room here, so was an lounge. It may have been a dining room because it's closer to the kitchen. This one here might be the dining room, it's close to the kitchen. This one here may have been the lounge room, I'd say. When we go through here. There you go. Once again, not much of a floor left. I don't like standing where I am actually, I'm standing on the framework. But still, come through here. Yep. We've got another bedroom here. There's just some mattress on the floor here. I don't know whether someone dragged it from the other room or not. I'd say they might have had. So I said there might have been squatters here. There's a bit of sign, a few things around. All the interior walls been ripped off. This here, I don't like this floor here. When you look at this floor here, it just doesn't look strong to me. So I'm going to walk over to where this join is and walk along the join. Okay, there's a bit of wood underneath me there. And this here would have been, I'd say, another bedroom in here. If I can get some light. That would have gone through to that bedroom there, so which I was in earlier. And look up top here. Yep, wrong way. See the ceiling falling in. Just put it around far enough. I dare say at some stage there would have been stairs coming up to here, but long washed away, and that's a good, let's say 15 foot, maybe further down to the ground. It's too high for me to hoist myself up in, so I was glad when I found those stairs in the shed underneath. And we come back through this way. We're nearly actually through the house, and not a lot here really. But, and in here, this is all been, well, I can't get in here because of all the stuff in here. We've got speakers, we've got blinds. We say when the house first started flooding, they put things in here, just get out of the way, but yeah. When you look at the ceiling, once again, what ceiling? You're looking at the roof from the outside there, the corrugated iron roof out there. I dare say whoever lived here, hopefully they had an insurance thing, but there was a government scheme to help people. Hope that is what's happened. Well, this is it. We'll take you back out the outside, out the back a bit. There's a couple of other things out there which I will show you. Means going through all the sticky beaks again. Like me being a sticky beak, I suppose I can put up with walking through sticky beaks. Here's the leaker. Looks quite like, obviously so it went underwater. It's such a shame, you know, they've lost so much of people living in these areas. Small table with a fishing tackle box. Here, if I can see it, if I can, got the sun glaring in my face there. That's the water tank there. Probably a 20,000 gallon tank, I'd say. There's our clothesline. And look over here, we've got 2 more cars over there. I don't know if I can get to them or not. We've got a seat here. It looks like they tried to get everything out to dry, but it wasn't going to be worth their while. Got a trampoline here, so I dare say there was kids in this house. There's 2 cars over there. I'm not going to go over there. I don't know what snakes there are. Followed by another car over there. Actually, I'm going to go there because there's a little bit of a another ride on lawnmower or tractor or something there. A few bottles there. Oops. Stepped on them without realising. In there somewhere there's some lawnmower, or little lawnmower, I think, little ride on lawnmower, followed by another car just there. Sorry, I'm at the wrong time of the day here. Got the sun just glaring at everything. Hopefully the video sorts itself out with the correction side of things. Anyway, that's Jeff. I'm going to leave you now. Yeah, I'll see you at the next video. You have a great day and God bless you.